Welcome aboard the Mary Pat this evening. I have something really funny to tell you all. It doesn't take much to entertain me. And earlier today, I had noticed that my lights seemed brighter in here. And my light perception does change from time to time. So, I thought that's what it was. But then when I came back later and I'm like, these lights are bright, even for me. Well, I thought, what could be causing that? Am I having an electrical surge or something here on the caboose? And I thought, if that's the case, that's not good. Well, then it hit me. I must have a dimmer switch, a little dimmer slide on my light switch. And come to find out, I do. So we can control the brightness of the lights in here. It's pretty cool. And I can still see lights, so that's kind of a big deal. So, yeah. We like it, so we can make it seem a little more subdued, or we can brighten things up in here. So, I like it. Doesn't take much to entertain me. Yep, we're looking down through here. They got it going on up here. Pretty amazing. Well, we're going to go have morning prayer and pray for all the crazy people and our amazing farmers, because they are volunteering their time, and I am so appreciative. They do amazing work, and like me, they want this railroad to look amazing and do what it was built to do. So that's our plan. There goes Pat. We're here at the model train layout, and we are disassembling the snow village and then repainting with white and taking out the fabric because it's just getting dirty and the mice have been on it. And so anyway, we're doing an upgrade, and Mary Margaret is just painting away to her little heart's content. So me and Miss Pat have been ripping up the fabric, so we got it going on here. And the layout is still functional. When we're not working, the trains will still be able to run, but we're going to redo the mountain and all this, and so it's always a work in progress, and that's what we do here in the caboose life on the Venice Lines Railroad. And we still have part of the layout running right now. I have my little RS1 switcher running in the yard track over here. So yeah, we got it going on here. It's all good. We like happy trains, but we want them to look really good, and we take pride in our work. So we got it going on here. Okay, we will catch you all a little later. It's almost time for our rock cruise. There comes the train. There goes the trolley. All right. Well, we are standing on the back of the Mary Pat. Me and Mary Margaret and Pat we just had our afternoon snack. We're looking out here at the narrow gauge railroad, and the track has been taken up. They're still working down there somewhere, and I don't know if they're working on the main line right now or if they're still working on the branch, but they've had it going on up here. Very thankful. It is such a lovely day today. So yeah, we can smell where they've been cutting stuff. It smells amazing. But yep, they're out there doing stuff. So stay tuned, we got more on the way. So they're working out here, and I have one more thing to announce. Yesterday, we took measurements right down here in front of me, and all I'm going to say is we have 15 feet to spare for a possible friend that we have been engaging with. And so this 48.5-foot friend we're going to be looking into. So I'm going to leave y'all in suspense. But we've got enough room right here for this 48.5-foot friend. So anyway, they're just tearing it up out here. Look at this. I love it. There you go. They got it going on out here. All right. Just gonna put some more gravel down for the roadbed. This is right outside of Union Station. This is amazing. Smell the diesel. Yep, this is the Dennis Line's main line through here. And you know, the ironic thing is, a lot of our early railroads, well, most of the ones around here, it was the farmers that came out and plowed up the first roadbeds for the tracks.
With a horse and
exactly.
Horse and
Yep. Or a big old mule.
yeah. Or oxen.
Yes.
Something.
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 But we got a dozer and all these other good things.